Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. It is a glorious day. Bike says it's 51.8. I think it lies. It feels more like 46.3, but I'm no meteorologist. All right, here we go. Anyway, it's time to do a couple of tests. We're testing out the new GoPro Max, or whatever they call it, doing a 3-cam setup. And I'm even doing an audio test right now because I built a windshield. And it is literally a cardboard windshield attached to the left chin strap of my helmet, trying to block out some more wind noise, gravel, so I can get better audio for you. Woohoo! And I was in such a rush to get out on the bike that I forget who gave me the suggestion, but I'll go ahead and throw their name up on the screen here now, and you can see who gave me the suggestion to try the cardboard windshield. But I thought it was an excellent suggestion. Thank you again, whoever that was. Yeah, we're combining like 4 things at once. Isn't this great? So we're gonna go over this little bridge here, and I'm gonna pan you left or right in the editor. How cool is that? Yeah, you no longer have to follow my helmet or just look at me. I can go over there. I can go over there. I can go down there. Wait, I have a 3rd camera now. Ah, this is fun. Whoa, stay on the road. I think I'm gonna have to pull over and relight my cigar. It's gone out. I'm talking too much. All right, that's better. Yep, the Hero 8's down there. You're on the Max. I got the 9. We're just covered in cameras. This thing looks like a rolling camera truck bike thing. Hey, Hollywood, call me. I'll film all your action shots now. No, don't call me. I'm busy. No, do call me. That'd be a lot of fun. But anyway, like I said, quick ride today. Just doing some testing. It feels really chilly. Yeah. The bike says it's 50.9 now, so sitting in the trailer all day, I guess it got a little bit warm. But let me know what you think of the audio. How is it so far? Hopefully there's less wind noise. I literally took a piece of cardboard, folded it in half, wrapped it in gaffer's tape, and then double taped it onto my helmet. I have no idea if it's going to work. If you're seeing this, it obviously did something. But I'm super geeked out about the GoPro Max. I think it's really neat. I did some testing last night. I got it in the mail, and I couldn't wait. I did an unboxing video, which will be coming out soon. And while I was at it, I figured, well, what the hell? I need to get some testing done. And so it's after work. I'm done with that. It's finally the weekend. Woohoo! And yeah, I'm out on a chilly ass ride trying to get some testing done. I got some software to integrate with my video editing software. So my old ass Note 5 insert picture here. I mean that phone's just not going to handle 360 editing. It just won't. So I got this, and boom, we're going to have 360 footage now, which is awesome. I almost bought the GoPro Max. I don't even know what they call it. I almost bought the GoPro Max when I bought the Hero 9, but at the time I was not aware of these software upgrades, so I just wasn't sure about it. And now I'm sure. I did some testing, like I said, last night, just quick stuff on my porch, and I was like, oh, this is actually pretty easy. So I'm looking forward to showing you the sky. Yeah, there's nothing to look at. There's not a cloud in the sky today. But yeah, I can point things out or show you stupid things on the road. I really am geeked about that Jaws clamp too. That thing just holds on everywhere. It's awesome. I bet you I could reach down, pull it up, and film with it right now. You dare me to? Click like if you dare me to. Yeah, see what I did there? I did. Maybe I should edit that part out. But anyway, yes, so we're doing the audio test. How's the audio? Leave a comment below. I'm loving the new cup holder, although I haven't used it much. I did use it going to my mom's house the other day, that footage was unusable because I set the GoPro settings manually and it way overexposed it and I couldn't bring it back. But along the same lines, I did some settings for at nighttime, and that footage actually looks pretty cool, and I think it will apply to the Max as well. So I'm really keen to check that out when it warms up and I can go on a night ride. That's going to be pretty cool. And I hope all 3 cameras are still recording. And I really do thank you for being here with me. Really, it's just awesome, and I love it. This whole moto vlogging community is just great. So if you like what I've been doing, boom, you're gonna love what I'm gonna do next, because I'm stupid and I keep buying new toys to make new kinds of videos with. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. And until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. Ta-da! And if you're wondering why I didn't reach down and grab the Hero 8 and hold it out like it was on a selfie stick, well, because I don't trust myself to be able to put it back on when I'm done. You know, that kind of happens. Anyway, see you in the next video.